Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Brainy Lads once again. And having discussed the first book of Class 10th English, we are moving towards a second book that is Footprints Without Feet. And we are going to cover the first chapter of Footprints Without Feet, that is A Triumph of Surgery. Got the point, guys? But before we move on, we would request you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button so that you can get the timely updates, and visit our official website, that is www.brainylats.in, wherein you find notes of almost all the subjects, and that is too free of cost. Got it, guys? चलिए let's move on to the first extract. देखते हैं first extract में क्या है from the first chapter. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a blotted sausage, with a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Got it? So this is the first extract of the chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. तो let's move on to the question answers, guys. Question answers देख लेते हैं इसके. Question first में move करते हैं कि what is the name of the chapter? Name the chapter आपको बताना है. Is it from the thief story? No. Is it from Footprints Without Feet? No. Is it from Animals? That is one of the poems of Class 10? No. This extract has been taken from A Triumph of Surgery. Got the point, guys? So what is the right answer of A? That is first. Let's move on to second question, guys. Second question is, who is the author of A Triumph of Surgery? Amitav Ghosh? No. James Herriot? Yes. J.B. Priestley? No. A.J. Cronin? No. So who's the author, guys? James Herriot. Got it? Let's move on to question number C. Who was the mistress of Tricky? Tricky, who was a dog. उसकी जो मिस्ट्रेस थी वो कौन थी? मिसेस पेक्लेटाइड? नो. मिसेट फिजरल्ड? नो. मिसेस पियर्सन? नो. मिसेस पम्फरी is the right answer, guys. Got it? So who was the mistress? Who was the owner of Tricky? Mrs. Pumphrey. Chali, let's move on to question number D. Which literary device has been used in Like a Blotted Sausage? Guys, whenever there is a comparison, जब भी comparison हो guys, comparison किन words के साथ? Like और as के साथ. जब भी हम compare करते हैं तो which literary is device is that? Not metaphor, not personification, not alliteration. Simile is the right answer. कौन सा right answer हो जाएगा guys आपका? Simile हो जाएगा. Got it? For comparison, जब भी comparison होगा especially इन दोनों words के साथ तो simile होगा, metaphor, personification, alliteration नहीं होगा. अगर आपको ज़्यादा पढ़ना है guys poetic devices के बारे में तो go to our official website, that is www.brainylats.in, where you can find notes related to poetic device along with the video. Let's move on to second extract, guys. Second extract पे बढ़ते हैं. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. So this is the second extract. इसके questions देख लेते हैं, guys. Who is I in the above lines? आपको बताना है I कौन है, guys? Is he a shopkeeper? Is he a cloth merchant? Is he a fashion designer? He is a doctor, guys. He is a vet. Vet कौन होता है, guys? A doctor who treats animals is known as vet. Question number second is, what had happened to Tricky in A Triumph of Surgery? आपको बताना है, guys. ट्रिकी के साथ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी में क्या हुआ था? He had lost much weight. क्या उसने वेट कम किया था? No. He had put on much weight. Yes. All the other options are incorrect. उसने बहुत वेट बढ़ा लिया था because he had never refused to food, क्योंकि उसने खाने को कभी मना नहीं किया था. तो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा सेकेंड, he had put on much weight. What was responsible for Tricky's deteriorating health? देखिए, first and foremost you should understand the meaning of deteriorating, that is to go from bad to worse. कोई भी चीज जब बद से बदतर होती है तो उसके लिए एक वर्ब बनी है गाइस, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिटीरियोरेट. Deteriorate. Got it? So what was responsible for Tricky's deteriorating health? His overeating, yes. Lack of exercise, come exercise, yes. Lack of physical movement, yes. So all three factors were responsible for Tricky's deteriorating health. So what would be the right answer, guys? The right answer would be the fourth option, that is all of these. Got it? Let's move on to question number D, which what does, there is a typing error guys, what does the word tackle mean? Tackle का meaning बताना आपको क्या होता है guys? Accept as a challenge, yes. Take on, yes. Undertake भी yes होता है. So what would be the right option guys? Option number 4th would be the right option. Got it? Let's move on to next extract guys. Next extract पे बढ़ते हैं. Extract 3 पे. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast ball, lunch ball, super ball. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody wasn't here, everybody, including the servants of that house, including Mrs. Pumphrey. Let's move on to the question from of the third extract. Questions देख लेते हैं एक बार. Why was everybody in tears? सारे रो क्यों रहे थे? For Tricky had died? No. For Tricky had fallen from the car? No. For Tricky was being sent to a doctor? Yes. For Tricky had refused to leave? No. Which is the right option? Tricky was being taken away by a doctor, by a vet, so that he can be maintained, ताकि उसको maintain किया जा सके. What was Tricky being driven away? Why was Tricky being driven away? This is the question guys. Question number second is why was, this is why was Tricky being driven away? For improvement in his health? Yes. For degradation of his health? No. For his master had failed to pay off the debts? No. None of these. Got it? तो क्यों ले जाया जा रहा था? For improvement in his health. Got it? What does the word despairing mean? आपको despairing का मतलब बताना है guys. Despairing का मतलब क्या होता है? Negative होता है despairing, desperate होना, hopeless होना, despondent होना, तीनों ठीक है. तो तीनों ठीक है तो what would be the right answer guys? All of these. तो right answer क्या हो जाएगा? All of these हो जाएगा. Got it? Which literary device has been used in rubber rings? कौन सी literary device यूज की गई है guys? देखिए R है, यहाँ भी R है, R consonant होता है, and whenever there is a repetition of consonant sounds, जब भी repetition होता है consonant sound का guys, तो which literary device is used? Simile नहीं होगी, metaphor नहीं होगा, personification नहीं होगा, alliteration would be the right answer. Got the point guys? Let's move on to next extract. Next extract पे बढ़ते हैं guys. Extract 4th पे. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dog slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Got it? तो फटाफट आपको क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताना है guys. What does the word whimper mean? Whimper का मीनिंग क्या होता है guys? ये इसको मीनिंग बताना है. 4 ऑप्शंस are given. फटाफट कमेंट बॉक्स में आइए और आंसर दीजिए. क्विकली guys, आंसर इट इन द कमेंट. guys, whimper का मीनिंग बताइए फटाफट जल्दी से. whimper का मतलब क्या चुपचाप बैठना होता है? नो. क्या ज़्यादा खाना होता है? नो. क्या ह्यूमंस पे भौंकना होता है? नो. whimper का मतलब होता है guys whine करना. Got the point? Let's move on to question number 2. What was given to Tricky for eating when he was taken away by the vet? तो उसको क्या दिया गया था? A lot of food? No. A lot of meat? No. Let's have a look at the other options. Nothing except water. पानी के अलावा कुछ नहीं. Yes. All of these नहीं आएगा because first 2 options are incorrect. Where is Tricky residing now? Tricky कहाँ है अभी guys? डॉक्टर्स होम हमें पता है. He has been taken away by the vet. तो ये जो 3 options हैं, they would be incorrect. How long did it take Tricky to be normal? कितने दिन हुए guys? 2 दिन. 2 दिन तक तो he was unable to understand where he was. He was unable to cope up with the other animals. He was unable to cope up with others. तो 2 दिन तक तो उसको समझ ही नहीं आया. He was very upset, लेकिन बाद में वो क्या होने लगा, धीरे धीरे नॉर्मल होने लगा. Got the point guys? Let's move on to extract fifth extract पे बढ़ते हैं guys, देखते हैं क्या है. From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, trampled on, and squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. Got it? तो ट्रिकी का एक्सपीरियंस बता रखा है guys. So let's look at question number first. Question number first पे आते हैं guys. What does the word scrimmages mean? Scrimmages का मीनिंग आपको बताना है, फटाफट बताइए जाए क्विकली. गाइस स्क्रिमेजेस का मीनिंग फटाफट बताइए. व्हाट इज स्क्रिमेजेस? बैटल रॉयल्स, यस. मीलीज, फाइट्स. तीनों का मतलब एक ही होता है गाइस, फाइट्स के लिए यूज किया जाता है. तो स्क्रिमेज का मतलब क्या होता है गाइस? टू फाइट. ऑल ऑफ दीज वुड बी द राइट आंसर. हाउ डिड द अदर डॉग्स बिहेव विद ट्रिकी? कैसे बिहेव करते थे? दे रिफ्यूज टू एक्सेप्ट हिम एज ए मेंबर ऑफ गैंग. They accepted him as a member of gang. Yes, they behaved ruthlessly and injured him. So I think second is the right option. They accepted him as a member of gang. What did Tricky do in the hen house? वो क्या करता था guys? Hunt करता था rats को, cats को नहीं, dogs को नहीं, lizards को नहीं. Got it? चलिए let's move on to the next one guys. Next question पे बढ़ते हैं. Which literary device has been used in Like a Tiger? जब भी guys comparison हो, once again let me tell you, like or as say. So what is the right answer guys? Simile is the right answer. Answers are also given at the end of the extracts. You can tell your answers. You can visit our website. Website पे आपको सब मिल जाएगा guys. Let's move on to sixth extract guys. Sixth extract पे बढ़ते हैं. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the packman's group of dogs, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. What does the word midst mean? Midst का meaning आपको बताना है. In the middle of होता है guys, corner of, side of, front of नहीं होता. What made Tricky a lithe and hard-muscled? His overeating? No. अब तो वो ज़्यादा खाता भी नहीं था. His overeating with no. His balanced eating with exercise? Yes. His staying with Mrs. Pumphrey. So first, second and fourth are absolutely wrong. Third is the best option. Let's move on to the next one guys. What has been referred to the peck in the extract guys? हमने पहले डिस्कस किया. Group of dogs. ये होता है पैक को, पैक के लिए यूज किया गया. कीपिंग अप वेल का मीनिंग पूछा गया क्वेश्चन नंबर डी में, तो गेटिंग अलोंग वेल होता है. हैविंग अ टसल नहीं हो सकता, किसी के साथ फाइट करना, दुश्मनी दिखाना भी नहीं होता. नन ऑफ दीज नहीं होगा बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. गॉट इट? लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन गाइस. एक्सट्रैक्ट सेवेंथ. ड्यूरिंग द एक्साइटमेंट आई हेल्प्ड द शॉफर to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is triumph of a surgery." So what is chauffeur guys? Chauffeur आपको बताना है chauffeur कौन होता है? A waiter at a restaurant? No. Restaurant पे कोई waiter नहीं बोलते उसको chauffeur. A driver? Yes. कुक को नहीं बोलते, वुड कटर को नहीं बोलते. ड्राइवर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज शोफर. What made Mrs. Pumphrey cry in the end? Transformation of a body? No. Transformation of a pet? Yes. Transformation of a car? No. Transformation of her house? No. She was not happy at the transformation of her house, body or car. She was excited as well as emotional on the transformation of a pet. चलिए let's move on to the next one guys. Next question को देखते हैं. Why did Mrs. Pumphrey thank the doctor? क्यों thank किया guys? For making her pet fat, for making her pet slower? No. For making her pet eat more, no. तीनों ऑप्शन गलत है guys, तो right option would be none of these. Got it? क्यों थैंक किया था उसने? For transforming her pet. ट्रिकी का वेट लॉस में जो उन्होंने हेल्प किया था उसके लिए उसने थैंक किया था डॉक्टर का, वेट का. व्हाट डज द वर्ड ट्रायम्फ मीन इन अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी? गाइस जो टाइटल है आपका उसमें जो ट्रायम्फ वर्ड है उसका मीनिंग पूछा हुआ. डिफीट हार जाना नो, कॉन्सोलेशन किसी को सांत्वना देना, फेल हो जाना नो, विक्ट्री इज द राइट ऑप्शन. सो ट्रायम्फ का मतलब क्या हो गया गाइस? ट्रायम्फ का मतलब हो गया विक्ट्री. गॉट द पॉइंट गाइस? चलिए लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. आगे बढ़ते हैं. इफ वी हैव अनदर, I don't think so. We have another extract. So these are 7 extracts from the chapter A Triumph of Surgery, guys. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. Do subscribe to our channel and do press the bell button so that you can get the timely updates. Thank you very much for being with us. Have a nice day.